Today we're going to show you guys how to install a microwave over the counter. This is our microwave. We got it for like 50 bucks on Facebook. Basically, we're just going to start by finding the stud. Instead of just using like a stud finder and all kinds of garbage, I just used this cabinet that was already up here. And for this microwave we're installing, we don't have this venting inside the house. So these vents here, this was a used microwave. They used to have one. We're gonna need to flip these around. So simply just pop that screw out, the thing comes out, flip around. Make sure your thing's unplugged before doing this, but we're gonna show you guys how to do this in like 5 minutes. It's easy. So we went ahead and removed the screws. It was 1 and 2, and then 1 and 2 on this. And we have this fan blower. So simply, it was facing like this. We're gonna get it facing this way. The reason being is it's gonna blow through this and then it will vent out into the house. This is the front of the microwave. And we're gonna use that grill that'll go at the bottom. We'll save that for later. Flip this around, it kind of fit, actually it really fit flush. It fits perfect. Now this screw hole, as you can see right here, this one, watch when I push it down, you see how the hole's there? That's what we need to align into. Make sure we're not screwing and messing any of these fans up. We're simply just gonna put these screws right back in. And 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 screw, and 4 screw, those are back in. The fan's flipped around. Go ahead and test the fan. Hit vent fan, blows high. It just blows off at the top. You can change the speed to slow, whatever, and that's it. I only had 1 stud, so I put the middle screw right here. There's a bunch of different screw holes, so it's okay. But if you have multiple studs, it helps to put one here and here. And up here, these are good to put in here as well, if you do have a stud. If not, it's no worries. You just have to have at least 1 stud in order for this to hold up. A stud is basically a wood piece. It goes down this center wall. This cabinet has it, but the rest of this is literally just drywall. I only put these random screws in here just to keep this plate from flopping back and forth. And then I'm gonna position the microwave. It should hook into these different hooks. There's like a gap behind here and it'll just be able to sit in there. You can see how it kind of has a open edge with a lip. That lip will catch the bottom of the microwave. These screw holes, these were the ones that were previously put in here. My microwave is not going to fit that. So normally you're supposed to have a map and it's supposed to go up onto the top of this so you can draw the different holes, but I don't have that. So I'm just gonna measure from the back of the microwave to the screw hole and then measure that out. Well, actually, I'm gonna go from this back wall and measure it out this way. I'll leave about a ½ inch gap because this plate's going to be protruding and pushing out a little bit. And then I'll put those holes up there and I'll show you what that looks like. The microwave is installed, plugged in, light works, vent fan works. We did mess up one of the holes. It was close, it was really close. It was like 1 centimeter off. I was just going like eyeball tape measure. So I had to move it over a tad. Same thing there. So it really helps if you have the drawing diagram to be able to drill those holes properly. Other than that, it's kind of like a guessing game with measurement. So it's kind of like an educated guess, but vent fan works good. Turn that off. Express cook, whatever. Pop! I'm just kidding. It's done. That's it. So that's how you install the microwave over the stove.